Welcome to this video. In this video we'll learn how to add new columns to our data. So we have already our data frame and we have the columns. We need to add a new column. Like for example, we want to add total to our data. How we can add total to our data and how to calculate the total. Then we will do a little bit of more column management. So let me go back to the our project. Let's create a new one and we'll call it adding columns. Now what we will select is 3.6. So we'll go there. Now adding columns is there. Let's now do some practice on this adding columns. Same thing, let's read our data. Import pandas as PD. See, repeating those steps always will help you. Why I didn't just copy it? Just want you to see it and try it yourself. Okay. So gr equal PD dot read underscore Excel, and what was the file name? Grades dot xlx. Skip rows equal 3. That we remember, we need to skip 3 rows here for a reason. Yeah, that's 1 because we know there is extra. And gr dot head. We are back to where we are. Now, let's look at how we can add the total here. So we have student score for test 1, project, test 2, presentation, and final. So what is the total of all this score? So how we can do that? In Pandas, to add a new column is easy. Just you say gr and give the new column name. We'll call it total equal, and then you can give it a value. But we need to do the total in a normal way of programming. Again, you will have a loop that goes from the beginning of the record to the end, and you have 1,000,000 lines, then forget it. It takes time to do. So here you don't need to do that loop. You don't need to go through the whole thing. Just one line will do it for you, which again, creating a new column called gr total. And then we will do here, say gr, what the total should be, gr test 1 plus gr test project. Sequence is not important here. But anyway, I have to stay with that, plus gr test 2 plus gr presentation, okay, and the last one plus gr final space exam. You have to do it exactly as it is. So we have done all those. We can say Control Enter, done. Now, by the way, you can break these lines. Yeah, if you want to say here and do another line here. Yeah, and still it is the same line, but it's broken into smaller lines. But this plus here is not in the right place. And this plus here is not in the right place. Yeah? Don't break the lines. Okay, so we have these lines and totally being calculated. How we can display the total? We just add plus here and say gr dot head. Let's see now the 5 row with the total, and you can see the total is added there. So basically one only line created for us the total of these columns. So you can add, in fact, any row. You want maybe a row that calculate only coursework without the final. So you can come now and add a new one. This we call it GR coursework. Yeah, just only the coursework, not the final exam. Yeah, GR test 1 plus GR project plus GR test 2 plus GR presentation. Sorry. Control Enter. And it's done. And if I come here and say GR dot head, then you will find head, you will find we have the coursework here, which the total of this 2. Yeah? And see how it is. Now if you run this one again, okay, now your GR went back to the default, yeah? So you need maybe to have this coursework before the final. So I come here and add coursework here and do this. Now run head. I will get coursework first, total second. So that one way you can do to just make sure the order of your tables is correct. So you change your calculation and do things like that. So this is basically how we do read the calculation. But there's one thing I want you to be aware of it more, is in this Excel file we're dealing with, there are 2 sheets. If you go back here, you will find, let's download this one. Sorry. Let's download this sheet and look at it. Just, you will see there are 2 sheets in this one. So how we can read sheet 2 instead of sheet 1? Yeah. So there is sheet 1 here and the sheet 2. By default, it's reading this sheet. But if you want to force it to read this sheet, not that sheet, so let's close this one and come back here and want to force it. So we can add here, comma, sheet name equal this. Now the data is for sheet 2, not sheet 1. And we still can run the whole process the same thing. So you look at the different, this is another course. So you can specify. Now if I want to go back to sheet 1, I basically say ICT 2013, that's the sheet name, and then go here and say run all. It will run the analysis and show me for the second sheet. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video.